Hello, I'm Linda Duck. I'm with the American Red Cross, and I'm at the Bethel University Blood Drive. And I'd like to introduce you to the blood drive. When people first come into the blood drive, the first place they go to is registration, where we'll sign them up and let them read some information, make sure that they're able to be a donor. And then if they're able to sign up and be a donor, then we usher them over to this second area that's our waiting area, and that's where they'll wait to go into the health histories. Once a person qualifies to be able to donate, they'll come into the health histories, and we'll do a medical health history on them to make sure that it's safe for them to donate a pint of blood. The medical questions that they ask are confidential, so that's why we have screens up, is to protect the potential donor's identity and their medical history questionnaires, the information in that. Once the donor finishes in the health history and is qualified that it's safe for them to give blood, then they'll actually enter the donor area and sit down on one of our beds to start the donation process. Christopher's doing a process that we call a double red cell donation. When a donor donates in this particular manner, the only thing that is held is the red cells. The plasma, the platelets, and the white cells are returned, and the machine weighs the amount of red cells held and replaces that amount of red cells with a saline solution. When the donor finishes with a double red cell donation, there's been no fluid loss because of the saline replacement that they give. The double red cell also helps us because the most commonly ordered product by a doctor and hospital is 2 units of red cells. So the patient in the hospital is only exposed to 1 donor instead of 2, so there's less chance of them having a reaction to that transfusion. Haley's doing a whole blood donation today, and that's just where you're donating whole blood. Whole blood contains the plasma, platelets, red cells, and white cells. So she would be donating 1 unit of whole blood. Mark is putting the test vials, and they will go they will be packed up and go back to the lab so that each pint of blood can be tested. Once the testing is done on each of the testing vials, then that bag of blood would be released to go to a hospital patient. This is our canteen area, and once the donor finishes the donation, we bring them to the canteen area, and then we serve them something to eat and serve them something to drink to get them rehydrated and get some food back in them.
Thank you.